Friends, accelerometer play a very important role in the game, and in the earlier time it was very useful for getting the direction. So friends, good news for us. Modern mobile devices have a built-in accelerometer which allows them to know their orientation in the 3D space. And we can use device orientation to control the objects in our games. Hello friends, you are watching Instant Mango channel and I am Ramkesh Singh. And in this tutorial, you will learn about the accelerometer and how to use it in your 3D game or 2D game. So friends, I want to make a request that if you are visiting my channel first time, so make sure you have subscribed channel and like this video. And friends, I will provide you this script in the description box. I will post on my blog, so make sure that you have checked out. So friends, this is my game and this is my ball. So I want to take this ball as a game object that I want to move this ball by the help of the accelerometer. So friends, on the ball I have to add one script. So this is my game, I have already worked on it. So I have added my one script, that is ball movement. So friend, I'm going to open it, and you have not to do so much things. I think if you are going to add, so just take it as a rigid body. So I have added on the ball rigid body, and then I'm just getting component my body in the awake function. So what I have to do, so first of all, this is a little problem when we manage the accelerometer. So what happens that our mobile gets sleep, so we don't want it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm creating one method, and then I'm writing a line of code that is screen.sleep timeout, and then I'm passing sleep timeout dot never sleep. It will help your mobile to awake all the time. So friend, that's it about the sleep. And then you have to add the code to move your ball with the help of the accelerometer. So what I have to do, friends, there are three methods: update, late update, and that is the fixed update. So if you want to provide your speed to the ball, because when we add the accelerometer speed, so it is really very slow. So just I want to provide my speed, so I'm just taking one variable as a public, and that is speed, and then I'm giving the speed to the speed variable. And then in the fixed update, friends, there is a little difference in the update and fixed update. So in the fixed update, you add all the script whatever relate to the physics body. So ball is my physics body, so I'm adding the code, that is I'm getting the direction of my ball. So how I can get the direction, so it will depend on the acceleration in the sense where you will move your cell phone, where you will move your cell phone. On that basis it will provide the input. So let's do it. So in the vector 3, I'm just getting input.acceleration.x. so this is my for the x direction, and then I'm getting the for the input dot acceleration dot y, and then you can also take input acceleration dot z. So friends, it's depend upon you that where you want to move your ball. So at that time I want to move my ball in the 3 direction, but if you don't want to move in the z direction, so you can just do the y as a 0f, and then in the z position you can add input acceleration dot y. So this is the very simple, and you have to manage the movement, and it's depend upon you where you want to add. And then on the my body, I'm adding the 8 force. So on the 8 force, what I have to do, I have to just provide the direction where I want to. So you can see that I have provided 3 direction. So in the movement, and it's on which speed I want to provide. So this is my speed, and then I want that this script work for every device. So I am adding time.delta time. So you know very well, time.delta time help you to manage the frame, because there are so many devices and their orientation is different. So it will manage everything. So this is a simple script, and it will work for every device. So just save that code, and if you have not add, so add that code, add that script on the ball or whatever object you want to add, and then I'm just going to run my game, and let's see what going to happen. So just wait for a second. And friends, you can watch version control in my YouTube channel, so just go in the playlist and check out the version control. And I have also post the issues to solve your any games issue. So I just post here, and if you have not subscribed channel, so please subscribe. You will get good learning videos here. So friends, you can see that this is the documentation, and in the documentation they are just changing the position on the basis of the accelerometer. So it's a good thing, but there was a little problem that there is no any speed, and if you follow the documentation, so your ball will move very slowly. So what I have done, that I have add the rigid body, and then I'm adding my my speed to the ball. So just you can see that my game is running, and you can see that my ball is moving so smoothly, and I can just move left to right my ball, and this is going in the forward direction. So just let take in the backward direction. So just you have to just change your mobile, you have to move your cell phone where you want to move your ball. So you can see that it's working very smoothly. So hope you learn something, hope you enjoy something, and please like this video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Keep learning, keep growing. Happy coding.